Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about sizeof operator in C++ programming. The sizeof operator returns the amount of memory occupied by data type, constant or variable. And also we can get the size of user-defined data type like class, structure and union. And the sizeof operator is a compile time operator as it returns the size at the compilation time. And the syntax is, first we have the sizeof keyword and then inside the parentheses we pass the data type or the variable name. So in this example program we're going to use the sizeof keyword to print the size of different data types. So we're going to print size is, and then we're going to use the sizeof keyword and we're going to print the size of the integer data type. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to run the program, and it says size is 4 because the integer data type takes 4 bytes of storage. That's why it has printed size 4. Also we can use the character data type and print its size, and if you just run it, it says 1 because the character data type takes 1 bytes of storage. Similarly also we can use double data type and we can print its size, and it says 8. That's because double data type takes 8 bytes of storage. Similarly also we can create one variable and also we can print the size occupied by that variable. So I'm gonna save and run the program, and it says 4 because the integer variable x takes 4 bytes of storage. So this is the way we can use the sizeof keyword and we can figure out the size occupied by different data type, variable and constant. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.